At the house, and when you fumble your words and you don't know what to say, you say, "Yo, Nate, how about you go and edit that shit out?"
Nope. The homeowner thinks I'm crazy. Talking to myself.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back. Today is January 4th, 2024. I have a new customer who contacted me last night. They just closed on one of the houses here, and they would like to have a couple appliances installed. Well, removed and installed. I think it's a gas range and a dishwasher. So I'm just gonna go grab my trailer and head over there. Got cold overnight here. It's about -7 right now, so I had to wear an extra jacket. See you guys at the job. Get it.
All right, I'm at the house here, guys. We're gonna see what's going on. Morning.
Hi.
You have appliances installed?
Yes.
Perfect. I'm Scott.
Hi, Katrina.
I record my videos. Is that okay? I don't get you guys. I just get the job.
Sure.
Is there anything wrong with that stove?
Whenever we turn it on, you can smell gas. And it would take forever to heat up.
And the dishwasher?
And the dishwasher, we honestly haven't even used it like ever. It's kind of moldy smelling.
And the other stuff is in the garage?
Yeah, I can show you it here actually. It's still in the boxes over there.
Alright guys, I'm just gonna get some tools out here and see you inside. Get it!
Is your basement finished? I'm gonna have to go down there. There's no shut off here. There's gonna be a shut off downstairs for this.
Yeah, probably in that room.
This one?
Yeah.
Dance master.
Do you do basements as well?
Yeah, I do everything.
We actually have somebody coming on Saturday to give us a quote to put like a ceiling in. Because we want to get at least that room finished.
Yeah.
We just want it to be more livable. We want it to be like a living space down here for the kids.
Yeah, you can check my website out. I have, and also Facebook. I post a bunch of stuff on there. Save this just in case I need it. Let's go unbox the other one. Hey guys, I'm gonna need every hand I can with this, so I'll catch you inside when I get it in. just a leak detection. If there's a leak, you'll see bubbles. And all good. No leaks. Alright, you're gonna get set up. The homeowner thinks I'm crazy. Talking to myself. Okay guys, I got that stove installed. We just leave the stuff on the curb here, and a junker will come and get it. I'm just gonna unbox the dishwasher now. Get it inside so it's gonna warm up a bit, and install that. Take out the old one, put in a new one. So that's what I'm gonna do. Get it. Shut-off's leaking pretty good, eh? I'm gonna guess you didn't use it for a reason. Yeah. I'm gonna have to fix this shut-off. I'm just gonna shut the water off to the house. Oh yeah, that shut-off is crusty. I'll be replacing it with a quarter turn. No leaks. Oh, I see it. Dishwasher and fridge, same circuit. Okay. Alright guys, we're all done that job. It got a little difficult to video there at the end, so I did what I could. I just cleaned everything up. I'm in the truck, so I'm gonna pick up those 2 boxes they came in and get rid of them. And yeah, that'll be it for this one. I think I'm gonna take Friday off, so there won't be anything tomorrow, possibly Saturday. Okay, so thanks for watching everybody. Thank you to all new subscribers, and yeah, get it!